So today we are gonna be rice harvesting with a few other families. Yuyu's just like in love with this tractor. Yeah, this is with a group on Facebook, the Okinawa Natural Living Culture Language. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Yuyu, are you gonna be a farmer? Whoa! Here? Put it down. Just like that. Did you put it down, Yuyu? Huh? Can you put it there? Good.
Good job. Again, Paul. You take that. Good job, yeah.
Having fun. So normally this is all done by machines, but what we're doing is just cutting a little bit above the root system, and then this will get put into a machine to pull all the actual grains. Yeah, he's right here, having fun. You, let's run this way. Come this way. This way, this way. Okay, he's not coming this way.
Hand this to Mama. Mama.
Let me hold it? Okay.
Hand. Hand. Good job. You take it to Mama.
Yeah, like, can you give me the rice?
Take it to Mama.
Okay, that works too. Thank you.
Good job.
Yay! Yeah, it's just like a lot of fun being outside, connecting with nature. We have the perfect amount of cloud coverage today. Yuyu just wants to play on the tractor. Do you see Chris? He's all the way in the back, working hard. This is for our future dream of having a little family farm. This is everything we've harvested so far. Just Chris and I. We've done this whole section. This is so fun. Look at all the little kids cutting themselves. Well, by themselves, you know. And this is what we're using. It's a little blade. Spitting out the grass part, and then right here. All right, you're gonna cut.